The ideal propeller strikes a perfect balance between aerodynamic efficiency and low noise, tailored specifically for the Neo 2's motor size and weight. We examined 3 best propellers for DJI Neo 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Oshmirian propellers. The Oshmirian propellers, often recognized in the market for their focus on achieving a quieter flight profile, are generally designed with a specific aerodynamic geometry to reduce the high-pitched sound common in many small drones. These propeller blades are designed to match the original accessories in both fit and performance. Crafted from premium plastic with great flexibility and durability, they resist bending, cracking, and wear for long-term reliability. Their lightweight, noise-reducing design enhances flight stability, improves energy efficiency, and helps extend overall flight time. The pack includes 12 blades for easy installation or quick replacement, making them ideal to keep as backups for unexpected situations. Offering strong lift, smooth rotation, and safer flight control, they're an essential upgrade for outdoor flying and travel photography. For pilots who prioritize extended missions, quiet operation, and smooth cinematic footage where minimal vibration is key, the Oshmirian line provides a performance upgrade that enhances both the flying experience and the final captured video quality. On number 2, we have Arxonis propellers. Arxonis propellers are commonly aimed at the more experienced or FPV-style pilot who prioritizes enhanced responsiveness and flight stability. These propellers are typically crafted from high-strength composite materials to ensure excellent rigidity, which translates directly into more precise and immediate control inputs. Precisely engineered for the DJI Neo 2, these replacement propeller blades offer an exact fit and performance on par with the original components. Made from durable, high-flex plastic, they resist wear, impacts, and deformation, ensuring reliable use even during intense or frequent flights. Their lightweight design eases motor strain, resulting in smoother operation, reduced power usage, and significantly quieter flights, perfect for areas where noise control matters. The set includes 8 blades, 4 pairs, 16 screws, and 2 screwdrivers, allowing fast and hassle-free installation. Delivering steady thrust, balanced rotation, and improved flight safety, these blades are ideal for stable aerial shooting and getting the most out of your drone. While they may not always be the quietest option, they deliver a performance advantage where responsiveness is critical. On number 3, we have Bobknow colorful propellers. The Bobknow colorful propellers stand out by prioritizing high visibility and practical durability. While performance enhancements in terms of noise or efficiency may vary, their primary selling point is the range of vibrant colors, such as electric blue, neon orange, or bright red. Enjoy smoother, quieter flights with this upgraded 5-blade propeller design. Each propeller is lightweight and carefully balanced to deliver powerful lift while reducing noise, allowing you to record clear, high-quality footage without distracting buzzing sounds. Perfect for professional and peaceful flying. Built from durable, high-grade materials, these propellers are made to last. Their precision construction helps them withstand daily wear, rough landings, and windy conditions, keeping your drone stable and dependable during every flight. Choose from a variety of vibrant color options to match your style or enhance your drone's appearance. Whether you prefer bold shades like red or cool tones like blue, these propellers add personality and help your drone stand out beautifully in the sky. So these are some of the best propellers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.